We are putting the Woodwind Pro up against the competitor's pellet grill in a blind taste test to see if people can taste the difference between a brisket that's cooked on the Woodwind Pro versus a brisket that was cooked on a competitor's pellet grill. Now, we prepped these exactly the same way. The only difference is which grill it was cooked on, and on the Woodwind, we're using the new smoke box feature that's on the Woodwind Pro. Let's see what the people think. So we're coming out with a new grill.
Okay.
We want to know if you can taste the difference between a brisket that was cooked on our new pellet grill and a brisket that was cooked on a competitor's pellet grill.
I mean, it's good, but like pretty average barbecue, I would say.
Not a huge smoky flavor, but that's there.
That one is more like I'm tasting more just the pepper, more of the seasoning than anything. Not really a lot of smoke.
Kind of neutral, like what I would expect normally.
Almost no smoke.
Yeah,
Very little smoke.
Didn't get a whole lot of smoke flavor there, though.
That one's good, not too smoky.
It's not bad. Tastes all right.
Go ahead and try some of the pickle just to kind of clean that flavor out.
Palate cleansing pickle, people.
Okay, visually, this one's got a better smoke ring, for sure.
Okay, second bite. Let's see what you guys think.
That one's mine.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, she's
That's
smoky.
smoky, yeah.
I feel like the smoke is more all the way through the meat. Like the whole bite tasted smoky instead of just the edges.
What are you tasting?
More smoke.
It's got more of a depth of flavor to it. You really taste that smoke in it a lot more.
It's a lot smokier.
Mm-hmm. This one's better.
That's incredible.
That one for sure.
At least the smokies on this one.
Yeah.
Very obvious.
Certainly a ton of more flavor in that one.
It's like not even just on the outside. It's like the whole meat is like drenched in this delicious smoke flavor. Mm.
It's actually really good.
Yeah, I mean, that was really good. It almost seemed like they were two completely different flavors.
I would hope a little bit more smoky.
Your new grill.
Yeah.
I really
Yeah.
hope so.
If this isn't your new grill, you guys messed
Yeah,
up.
I'd reconfigure.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, I think that one's spot on.
So cook the same way, prep the same way?
Prep the same way, cook the same way. We tried to keep all variables exactly the same except for which grill it cooked on.
So now I'm gonna have to trade in my Woodwind.
Upgrade.
Upgrade?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mwah.
Well, you sold me on it. Can I get on a waiting list?
It'll be here sooner than you think. Yes.